What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is the second episode of me trying to flip a $10 account in the month of May. Currently, there's no light here, so I'll just like show you my chart on this my other phone here. And again, I've deposited another $10. Let me just screen record my screen. So currently, I've deposited another $10. Let me show you history for. Okay, this was the $10 that I lost yesterday. Oh, let's just focus on today. So I've deposited another $10. Let me show you what I'm looking at on the chart. So currently this is what I'm looking at. Price is on uptrend basically. So after this break of structure, I noticed that there is an FVG here. Let me show you. So what happened is that price is on an uptrend. So after this break of structure here, there is an FVG here. So I just target this FVG here. And price already tap into my POI. So now I'm just looking for more confirmation. So from confirmation, all I need is for price to, although price have already broke structure, the internal structure, but I don't really trust this structure here. This is the structure I was waiting for price to break, and it has already broken. So my entry is supposed to be here, and my stop loss will be here. I don't know if I should enter this trade now, but to be honest, I don't really trust this trade. And funny enough, the trade like this that someone did not trust is one that will now go to take profits. And this trade is like a 1 to like 12 or 1 to 12 risk ratio trade. You know what? Let's just forward test. Let's just forward test it together. Don't let me enter this trade now. Funny enough, all my rules have been met. The only thing that is doing me now is fear. But all my rules have been met. But then let's see. Let me just let the trade run. I'll update you guys later. Yeah. Honestly, I believe this trade will sell. Sorry, we buy rather. My only doubt here now is this FVG. FVG is kind of like too big for me. I like the FVG to like a little bit tiny. I mean this one. I like it to like a little bit tiny. But then what I am thinking now is like maybe I should go to 1 minute time frame, and immediately I see another break of structure from 1 minute time frame. I mean break of structure to the upside. I decide to like enter from here because all my rules on this trade have been met. Maybe I should just like wait for this the break out from here. Let's see if price will break out from here. I'm just trying to be like extra careful. And again, the stop loss is not that big. Like if I enter like 0.02 now, my stop loss will be like $6 or so. So I think it's something I can risk. But then let's wait for extra confirmation. Yeah, let's do this together. This is not looking good. Now my break of structure should be here. My break of structure should be here now. And this one will be like this. I did mean I've jumped into the trade here. Now my entry will be threatened. See, now this is why it's good like to wait for confirmation. But then anything can still happen here. Who knows? So now anytime I see a break of structure and also the break of this trend line, I'm going to enter. Unless if price get back to this demand zone, because according to my strategy, immediately price left this zone, it's not supposed to like come back to this zone again. You should just be buying from there, or if it's the other way around, you should just be selling. Road clear, no police. Thank God our money is safe. Fuck, that is crazy though. So I would have lost money had it been I jump in without confirmation. You see now. Although there's another setup that I'm seeing. Let me show you down. Maybe that will play out, who knows. Let me just remove all this one. Here you can see from here, price break the trend line to the downside. I'll just go down to 15-minute time frame to look for FVG if there is any, but I think there's one there. So on 15-minute time frame, this is what I can see here. So price break this neckline and they created this FVG. So I'm just waiting for price to get to my POI. As you can see, price is a little bit closer to it. So my short trade will be from here. Take profit will be. So I expect price to like start selling from here. Once price get to this, then they start selling. Although there's something about this setup that is like almost the same with the first one that we just forward tested. So for this one also, I will need to be like very careful before I can take any trade here. Let's just watch this trade and see how it goes. But I am certain that out of all these, there will definitely be one that will go in our favor. So zero panic, no panicking. Feel me? Don't panic. Always stay positive. So what I'm expecting now is tap into this zone and a break of structure to this downside. That's all. So till then, let's stay positive. I'll keep you guys updated. So price just got to my POI. There's still no light today. I don't know why. NEPA did not give us light at all. As you can see, price got to my POI here and started selling. So as usual, and I'm still looking for something like double top here and a break of structure here. So even though it's not double top, so I still want something like a break of structure here. So I think price is going to give us a break of structure now. So then we can enter the market. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. I'm sorry, I'm not used to analyzing on mobile. Like, I don't really like it, but I just have to do this. That's why I'm doing it. And I will not let anything stop me. I'll not let anything get in my way. Even NEPA can't stop me. So what I'm looking for now is price to break below. It's price to break this structure. So that's what I'm waiting for now. Price to break this structure. And also these trend lines. Price need to break this structure and this trend line. Then I take my position. But before then, we still have to wait, man. And remember, as they say in Forex, good things always come to those who wait. Patience is key. Trading is boring. It's about making money and not excitement. Trading isn't even the act of trading, being right or smart. It's just about making money. So you need to be disciplined, be patient, and everything will fall in place as long as you have all it takes. This is the rule of the universe. You just have to keep going. So be disciplined and be patient. Always wait for your analysis to align before you like jump into the trading. So price just broke through my, as you can see here, price just break structure. So I'm still waiting for it to like break this trend line to confirm trend change. So once price break this trend line, we'll set our limit order and hope for the best. That's it. Although if I enter now, there might be room for me to break even, but I don't really think this will sell. This is where I'm supposed to take my entry. My stop loss will be here. But this is not looking good. For me, it's not looking good. I need that perfect A+ setup. Like, that kind of thing now. That perfect A+ setup that can give me skyrocketed my account. You feel me? But this one is not looking good. I'll not take this trade. But if I see a good price action, I will take it too. Let's say if this one started selling I might just enter. I think I should enter. Although it's late already, this is almost 6 p.m. Maybe I should just leave this trade. Okay, let me check 15 minutes time frame and 1 hour time frame. You see, 15 minutes does not look like something that will sell. 15 minutes does not look like something that will sell. Let me see 1 hour. Okay, you know what? Let me wait for. No, you know what? Let's just forward test this trade. Let's see. I'm having doubt and I don't want to risk it. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, as you can see, there's still no light here. It's been like almost 72 hours now, no light. I don't know. We don't know what happened to the power holding around this area, but then no light. So guys, what we have to do? Yeah, the trade I was watching yesterday goes straight to my take profit. For like, imagine when you take trade, you go to your stop loss, but when you don't trade, you just like or test trade, you go to your take profit. Look at the trade. This thing just go directly to my take profit even before I wake up. And if I am to enter this trade, the best way for me to enter is this place. The most reasonable place for me to enter after the break of structure here. My entry will be exactly at the break of this structure here. Exactly. And my take profit will be immediate high or low. Exactly. Look at that. This thing just like consolidate a bit around there and just boom, went straight to take profit. And that will be like 1 to 5 risk ratio. But then I missed that. So that's it. That's trading for you. Where you think you're going to make profits, you take loss. But the time that you are supposed to like take the trade, that's why it's good to like have enough funding. When you have enough funding and you don't care about taking losses, the moment that you see your model, you just enter. Although this particular trade is only one thing that discouraged me to take trade, because there is something at the edge here that is like up for me. Exactly this place when I, oh, what's this? Let me just delete it and redo it. No light, oh, never not give me light. We are just improvising. This is Nigeria for you. If you are in Nigeria, you understand the struggle. The power holding have been limiting us. Like, lack of light is a big disaster, I swear to God. You won't be able to like do what you're supposed to do at the time you're supposed to do it. So why I didn't take the trade was because there's something off around this POI here. So that is like a secret for me. There's something off here. So although no regrets, there's still like a lot of trade to take in future. So I don't need to like let this one get to me. In fact, it doesn't even get to me at all. I don't care about it. But then look at that. Very nice trade. Just like boom boom. Go to directly to take profit. I would have make some money here, but then so regardless, that is that about that. We'll keep looking for that A plus setup trade. So we can like flip the $10 to any amount you want to flip it with too. With that being said, I think I'm going to end this video here. The next video I'm going to post, I'm sure I'll be making a lot of profit in that video. So just stick around and watch out for my next video. And if do I need to say this? No, yeah. If you want to see my trade setup, you can just join the Telegram in the description below. So you can always see my trade when I'm taking the trade, and I'll be posting my trade setup now in my Telegram channel. you can join the channel and be part of the family. So let's relate and share ideas together. So that's how about that. If you like content like this, kindly hit that subscribe button for your boy, turn on post notifications so you'll be missing my next video. Stay sharp. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.